Welcome back to the show. I'm Gaard Swanson. When disaster strikes, every single minute matters. Whether it's water damage, fire, or mold, having the right team on your side can make a big difference. That's why many people are turning to Restoration One to help them recover and rebuild. It's one of the worst things to happen to your home. A fire wiping out almost everything you own. That's what Michael Thorpe of Olympia is dealing with right now.
Guy kicked my front door in, said, "Hey dude, your house is on fire." I was sleeping in my chair. I'd have been dead.
Luckily, Michael and his girlfriend got out safely, but everything went up in flames, from motor vehicles to memories. But this stressful experience is coming with some relief, thanks to Constantin, Moroga and Restoration One.
We're a one-stop shop. We'll take care of the emergency cleanup, securing the property, properly board it up. Also, take care of their personal property like clothing and furniture, if anything's salvageable, and then restore the house back to where we hand them the keys at the end. We'll probably be able to hook up to that, put up temp power in the yard. Restoration
One works closely with insurance companies to deal with water, fire, and mold cleanup. But it's not just the physical damage. They even have a dedicated employee on site to help with emotional support throughout the entire process.
Hey Mike, how's it going today?
Not too bad. We've had better days.
I'm sorry to hear that. Well, we're here to help you all the way. So whatever you need, Mike, I'm here for you. My team's here for you. So whatever you need, we're here.
I appreciate that.
I try to put myself in their shoes. We're here for you because we just care so much, man. Like, for real, like, that's why I love working for this company, because it shows that we care.
Constantine, wow, this is, can I say disaster?
It's a pretty bad one.
Wow, everything, look at these golf clubs right here. Burnt, they're never gonna use these again. I counted 4 cars burnt. It's a mess here.
Yep, and this is day one, and that's how it usually looks, right? And we're here to restore it.
So is this the first thing you guys do when you get to a project like this?
The first thing we do is just board up and secure the property, make sure everything's properly secure for outside elements or entrance, people entering the house and stuff like that. But yeah.
And then you guys are going to take this burnt down house and you're going to rebuild it and make it spectacular for the homeowner.
It'll be a brand new home when we're done. And I'm hoping that's the silver lining that they can look forward to.
So I see your crew working back here, and they are diligently going piece by piece. How long is it going to take to go through everything so you can get that inventory list?
It is time consuming. We'll typically a process like this is a week and a half to 2 weeks to get a very solid list. Well, it also includes getting everything out of the house, but yeah, within 2 weeks they'll get a list of, I'm guessing 5,000 items.
Wow.
Give or take, for a project this size.
Man, but it's going to be beautiful when it's finished.
It absolutely will, yes.
Restoration One, giving homeowners peace of mind when disaster hits.
I just felt that they were the way to go, and they were going to get us what we needed to do and get this place cleaned up, back livable.
We're going into these people's lives at the moment when they're absolutely devastated. And then as we make progress, you can see their faces lighten up, and they can see, okay, I'm going to have this brand new kitchen or this beautiful home that I'm going to be moving into in a couple of months, and that's just priceless.
To learn more about Restoration One in the Olympia and Spanaway areas, head to restoration1.com.